Let's see the next question in this exercise, question 717. Find the point on the x-axis, which is equidistance from two given points, 2, -5 and -2, 9. Now let's see. First of all, the point is given on x-axis. All points on x-axis have their y-coordinate equal to 0. Similarly, all points on y-axis have their x-coordinate 0. Remember, it's always the other way around. X-axis points have y-coordinate 0. Y-axis points have x-coordinate 0. Since the point has been given as on the x-axis, we will assume the coordinates to be a, 0. The second coordinate, which is y-coordinate, will be 0 simply because it's on the x-axis. Now we know the distance formula. The distance formula is under square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So first we are going to compare the distance of this point with the first point, and then we are going to compare the distance of the same point with the second point. Since the points are supposed to be equidistant, that means their distances are supposed to be exactly identical, we will equate those expressions and proceed from there. So let's see. Now, if you consider this point and this point, so x1 minus x2, or you can call it as x2 minus x1, doesn't matter, it's going to be squared anyway. So 2 minus a, the whole square, minus 5 minus 0, the whole square. That will be the distance between this point and a, 0. Now take the other pair, which is minus 2 minus a, the whole bracket square, and 9 minus 0 square. And everything will be under square root. So these two square roots are equal. If the square roots are equal, we can square both sides and get rid of the square root signs. But before that, this minus 0 can be eliminated. It doesn't have any effect. So now we are going to square both sides, and that way we will get rid of square roots sign. Now, a minus b, the whole bracket square, we know that first term square, last term square, minus twice of their product. So this will be 2 square is 4, twice of their product is negative 4a, last term square is a square, 25 as it is. First term square is 4, last term square is a square, and twice of their product is positive 4a. Here people will make mistake. Remember, it's twice of their product. If both products are negative, then the middle term will still come out positive. Another way is to simply take the minus sign out and make it as 2 plus a square. Minus sign when squared, that will become positive sign, so that will have no effect. Either way, the expansion of the square will come out this way. Now we can get rid of a square from both sides. We can get rid of 4 from both sides. And what we have is negative 4a plus 25 is 4a plus 81. We can transfer negative 4a on the other side and 81 on the opposite side. 8a will be negative 56. Divide both sides by 8, and a value will come out to be negative 7. So that means the point which is supposed to be on the x-axis, we have assumed that as a, 0. So that means that point is negative 7, 0, and that is your final answer.